Hi, I'm Dustin Weiniger. There's a question that I occasionally see on the black powder forums, and I've even received a few messages about it. Which is more powerful, 2FG black powder or 3FG black powder? Now, I realize to some this may seem like a simple and silly question, but for those just starting out, it's an important question. Now, if you don't already know, when you look at the top of a black powder canister, you're going to see the letter F at least once, or it might be 2 or 3 or 4 Fs, followed by the letter G. Now, the more Fs you see, the finer your powder is. And the finer your powder is, the more pressure it's going to generate. So the 3FG is going to be more powerful than the 2FG, just for those who didn't already know. If you're using a substitute, it may be something different. For example, the 3FG equivalent in Pyrodex would be called P for pistols, but then it will tell you that that is the equivalent of 3FG. Well, just to show that you do get a little more power and pressure from your 3FG than your 2FG, why don't we step outside and I'll fire 5 shots of each over the chronograph and we'll see the numbers for ourselves.
First, some 48 grain loads of 2FG. Here I'm just taking care of a cap jam which caused that earlier misfire. These shots were fired from the Colt Walker, and you can see the data for each shot on the left. On the right, you can see that the average velocity for 2FG was 1,109.4 feet per second. Now let's try 3FG. Once again, I used the Colt Walker, and you can see the data for each shot on the left. On the right, you can see the velocity this time was 1,121.2 feet per second. A bit faster than the 2FG, for sure.
Well, I hope this quick look at 2FG versus 3FG helps some of you out. Typically, the 3FG will be used for pistols or very small rifle calibers, while the 2FG would be used for the larger rifles or even some large muzzle-loading pistols. Now, if you've got something like 1FG, you're getting into the realm of like a cannon powder, and something like a 4FG would be very fine, mostly used as a primer in flintlocks. Now, again, hope this was helpful to you. As far as which powder you should use, you'll need to develop a load for yourself, trial and error. You can actually interchange these, use this for pistols and this for rifles, and just experiment. See what gives you the best accuracy and the best results. Again, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.